Model: 2018 Peugeot Boxer Relay DUCATO 435L4 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 Professional Van 130 PSX Long Wheelbase, Spares OR Repairs. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 149570. MOT: the 19th of March 2024. Engine: 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing chain has snapped. Easy fix for someone who knows what they are doing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, cruise control. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111